Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today, Ford pickup 2013 ABS light, as you see here, and the brake light is on. The reason why they changed brand new anti-lock brake system, and we have to use our IDS to program this system. This is not expedition, so I'm going to close this one here. He asked me, do you want to clear the code, delete the section? I will say yes. And from here I will go to another. I am going to start new. If you don't change it, you're going to have a code, and the code is going to be like ABS mismatch. And also you get a message here where it say check brake system or service advanced track, and you get this code. So this is the car, F-150 type TIVCT 5.0 2013 50 state. I will say yes. And now I will go here, and here I will go to this place, and let me say test, complete test, to see what we have. But I know for sure we have to program this computer two-way. Either you're gonna click on as build data, you program it one time, or you have to do like leave the old one, read the information, write it, or just go as build data and program it. We are reading the codes now. Okay, now let's see down here. We just want to know what code we have, because everything here look like we only have 3 codes. Let me see what is the first. Continuous service memory, no information about it. Module configuration failure, 1 or more calibration file missing, corrupt. Wow, maybe they try to program it and it never works. So I'm going to go here, program module, double click. What do you need? As build data. Let's go to as build data. ABS, ignition is on. You're going to tell it to turn it off. So okay, this is the VIN number, yes, ending with 58. I prefer to put as build data so I have no headache. We're gonna wait a little bit. He asks you, I was directed here while performing programmable? No. So I will say no. because I was not directed. Configuration data in module back to original. Continue. Turn ignition on. Ignition is on. Module not or more copy file missing, corrupted. You see here is a problem. Module not configured correctly. One or more. Select program module installation and follow the instructions. So he tell me I have to go back. Okay, so I gotta come here. ABS. Ignition on. Somebody try to program it, I believe. Okay. Wow. Mr. Mike, somebody try to program this computer? Somebody try to program it? Somebody try to program this? Somebody try to program this? Huh?
No, I don't have no scanner for it.
Yes.
I changed it.
Let me see.
Definitely not.
I'm gonna, okay, so it looked like you have to, before I just go directly to as-built data, and you don't need to do the press tick. Data has been downloaded. You have to go to programming installation first, and then, wow. It says something, I don't know what. Let me see again. So let me see now if I can get this one on. It keep taking me away. I don't know. I did not read what it say. I'm gonna wait.
No, it's not from another vehicle.
If you have a swap module from another vehicle into this, stop. If the swapped module will not be configured properly for this vehicle option requirement, remove the swapped module and reinstall the original one. If the original one is not available, install a new service part before proceeding.
Thank you.
If we can just plug it and I go through it, it's better. Because I try everything, it doesn't work. It's a new service. I don't know why he did that. If the service tool cannot get the data need from the original model, it tries to obtain automatically from the as-built data backup. The service will require an internet to get back the data. If the tool is not up to internet, yes. Why does that? Yes, I got it. Turn the ignition off. Turn it on. Yes, I was able to do it. It asked me a lot of questions, crazy questions. Just be patient and go with it. You see all these lights up and down. Magic programming, please wait. I'm gonna wait to see what happens. start coming. You see it start going. I don't know why he asked me all this question. I click yes, yes, yes. He said you have a new one. I say yes. You go with it. So I'm doing it now. Let's see what's going on. What I'm trying to say is, if you can go to that place, that car, I don't know, it tried to start, it doesn't want to start. The same car, we brought it from East 52nd in that space. So we have to start programming a key and taking the wire that is connected in the bottom, and we put it in the priority. We're gonna work between this one and the Volkswagen. Okay, my friend, okay. So now we are programming this. Turn the ignition off. You see there. Click next. Turn the key on. A, B, C. Uh-oh, it come back or it's blinking. I don't know why it's blinking, but the service tool will now configure. The service tool will now configure the replaced module. The service tool begin immediately when confirmation is clicked. Okay, so after the programming, module configuration complete. You see that one is done. This one, good. Thank you. All the message disappear. Okay. You want to clear quotes? Perform IVD initialization sequence located under the chassis braking box. Okay, you have to do IVD. Okay, I will go do that right now. Okay, I'm gonna come back here. Chassis, braking, IVD. Ensure the following. Start the engine. Complete. Turn the key off. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Always be patient and things will be okay. Thank you for watching.